Welcome to my channel once again. This is Efogo Joseph, your anchorman at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to stake your W coin. If you are mining the W coin and you are not maximizing your gains, this video is for you. But before we go ahead, quickly hit the subscribe button and make sure that you keep getting a notification when new videos are published. All right, thank you for subscribing. Let's move ahead. Now we are on our Telegram page, and this is the link to WCoin. If I assume you are playing your you are already mining your WCoin, but you are not maximizing it, you are not getting the best out of it. The essence of staking is that your coin will be kept for a specific period of time without touching it. And within that period that you kept it there, it will be yielding more coins for you because your coin is now being used to support the community, to support the project. And so let's hit the open W coin and see what happens. All right, we are here, and you can see that a few links are here that are all important. You see that you have the mates here, you have the task here, you have the stake somewhere here, you have the boost and all that. So we are going to be using the stake your coin, which is somewhere here. So let's see. Okay, staking. So let's open it and see. Presently, you can see the number of coins I have. Number of coins I have here, which is 19,509,993 coins. Okay, so let's go to our staking. We click on the staking. Can you see what is showing there? Can you see what is showing here? 0 day, 0 hour, 0 minutes. And then claim button. And then you see amount 54,243,561 coins. 561 coins. And then you also have here 65,092,373 coins. What that simply means is that I staked this coin, this 54 million, and when the time was matured, I am getting 65 million. In other words, I have added about 11 million coins without doing anything. And WCoin has not been listed. They've not airdropped. So instead of mining and nothing is happening, I've been smart enough to increase the value of my coin by staking it. So what are we going to do right now? We're going to click on this claim button to collect this one that has matured. So let's go ahead. So I click on the claim button. Can you see that? 65,092,273 coins. So I click on the claim button and claim. Remember, we have about 19 million already on the other side. So staking. So let's go back to the other page. Let's click the back button. You can see now that my coin has increased to 84,602,272 coins, because I already had about 19 million when we started, which was not staked. Now with this, I can make a decision. First is either I'm going to stake all the 84 million, or I'm going to make a decision to cut it into half or stake 75%, as the case may be. Why am I going to do that? There's every tendency that within this period I'm going to stake my coin, that WCoin might go ahead to list their coin or do their airdrop and say, okay, we are listing by the end of the month. And this coin I'm going to stake is going to be for 14 days. So if for any reason it does not mature within that period, I can still have some leftover coin for me to sell if I want to sell on the day of the listing. So that is why I should not stake all the coins, because sometimes you need to be smart with these things. If the coins are listed and you have quite a number of them, you can decide to sell some portion to make your gains and then keep the others. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm going to reserve some coins for eventuality. So let's go back again and click on our staking link. All right, so you can see here now there is nothing here anymore. My coins have been harvested. So we're going to do something here now. We're going to click on this plus button and take the next action. So we'll click on it. Can you see now? W coin 20%. So we'll click stake. All right. So you can see that the three different packages that are available do not have the same percentage of gains. If you stake the coin for 3 days, you are going to get only 2%. If you stake the coin for 7 days, you're going to get 7%. But if you stake the coin for 14 days, you're going to get 20%. In other words, the higher the number of days, the higher the percentage gain that accrues to it. So we're going to stake it for 14 days. So what we need to do now is to click 14. You see 14 is highlighted, and we click our continue button. All right, what do I do now? You can see that there are 4 options that are available. Number 1 is 25%. Number 2 is 50%. Number 3 is 75%. And the last one is max. What that simply means is maximum. You don't need to remove anything. You just stake the 84,602,272 coins that are available. If you click max, you will stake everything. But in this case, I'm going to click 75% so that I will have something left in case that W coin launches suddenly and I need to sell some of my coins. So I'm going to click 75%. All right, you can see that 75% is highlighted. That is 63,451,704 coins that we need to stake. So I click on continue. You can see that by the end of 14 days, my coin also would have increased from 63 million to 76 million. What a smart way of making money without working, without sweating. So we'll now click on stake. My coin will be ready by the end of October. By October 30, this staking would end. So let's go ahead and click on stake. So you can see okay, my network is a little bit shaking. So whatever be the case, whether it shows or not, you have an idea of what you're supposed to do. That the last thing you're supposed to do is to click on this stake button to conclude your staking. You click this last button and everything will be done. So after that, you just keep mining the usual coin to increase the one that is left over that I have not staked. But at the end of 14 days, you come back and do the same thing we did when we started by claiming your coin, and then you go ahead with the rest. So that is it about staking your coin. Unfortunately, this button is not giving us the last command. It's not performing the last command because you can see that the network is unstable. You can actually look at this place and see that the network is unstable. You see the thing coming up and going back again. So that is why we are not able to conclude it, but at least you can see it. We already know what we are supposed to do. Thank you very much for your attention. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like it. And do not forget to share it with your friends. Tell them that you find this video helpful and they will also benefit from it. If you have not joined our WhatsApp group, look at our channel description. You will see the WhatsApp link there. There are a lot of information we share in our WhatsApp group, some tips that we do on daily basis that you will not see in our videos. So that's the reason why you need to join our WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. See you again in our next video. God bless you.